koro eseche mowinjore. Kwa dhimbele tenya kaunti ma Kakamega, Gavana ma Kakamega Fernandez Barasa ogolo siem ne achiel kuom joma nomi orak mawacho ni oseketo nyawe tijegi mag gero chiro ma Siricha mantiere boma ma Kakamega. Chiro no moket ne omenda maromo shillings milion 178 ka milion 120 nosechiw ne wuon oragno. Gavana Barasa nolimo chiro ma Siricha mantiere ward ma Sheiwe e kachung'od bura Malurambi wacho ni ok omor kod kaka chenro mar gero chiro no dhi nyime kodwaro mondo mikoro ochak tim nonro e wigi madhi mbele. Wechegi oser lwedo kod komiti mar od bura wi omenda mar kaunti ma Kakamega mosingo timo nonro matut mano mar yango kaka omenda manoket tenge ne chenro no osetiyo.
Because there's no way you can pay over 90% of the project, and yet the works done on the ground, when you look at technically, we are talking about less than 80%. I'll want the audit department led by our audit team to quickly do a technical audit with regard to the works that have been done, the payments which have been done, whether the monies which have been paid are based on the milestones that have been delivered or otherwise.
As a committee of trade in the County Assembly of Kakamega, we are going to play our role of oversight, and we are going to mobilize our colleagues to come on site here, have the technical team with us, the contractor, and understand why this contract has not been completed on time.
There are so many challenges even from the client side, but we've tried our best to reach where we are today. Even the materials, the Russia things, the cements, the steel work. There are so many challenges, the weather. But as you're speaking right now, we are working towards finishing because you can't continue looking back at what you didn't do.